Yo, AI Bald Head coming at y'all again. You already know what it is. You already know what it ain't. It's approximately 7 a.m., bruh. Just check the analytics, and it's 100% sausage fest in here. Bruh, I'm talking about 100%. And since it's just me and the boys, I don't know what y'all feeling, but I'm hungry. I don't know how to cook, but I'm assuming you don't know how to cook either. So let me teach y'all. So welcome to how to make an egg sandwich. Just taking a piss back here, but it's straight. We're all boys, right? Welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Bargo. I'll open up my fridge here, and you see we don't got much. But we got eggs, we got bread. Boys, you know what this is. Alright, now that we're here, first things first, crack the egg. Open up. There you go. Alright, boys. So what you're supposed to do now, you're supposed to do this little number right here. These yellow things just kill me, bruh. I really want them out. Oh, man. You do this little number right here. I forgot something. You don't want to put it in like that. You want to put it on your hand first. You said what? This is good? You sure? Nah. I don't know if it matters because this is a size normal pan and this is whatever that's called and this is the smaller one, so I don't really know if it matters, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on this one right here. Alright, so you do that, right? And then you gotta put butter on the pan. Whatever this is good enough. Alright, so before I turn anything on, I'm going to turn it a little bit on. Just a little bit. 6? Is that too high? It is? Alright. I'll play a little game. 4 then. Then we start doing this little number here. You gotta make sure all the sides, a little bit of the sides get it. I hope there's not too much, but it's alright. It's just enough. It's just enough. And then at the same time, you want to make sure your toast is toasting. I don't know if I'll use this spoon again, so what I'll do is just lay it right there, just in case I need it. So we got this. I just cannot put the eggs in yet because I don't have my spatula. So now I'm gonna put the eggs in. So I'm teaching y'all how to cook because I know y'all don't know how, and I guess you're supposed to do this. I don't necessarily know. We're gonna turn it up a little bit because I don't really know, but we got to turn it up. I'm gonna make my toast right quick. Get 2 breads. We are getting some chunks. Something's not right. Something is not right. Maybe something is right. Maybe everything is right. If you're a dude, which you are, and you know, never mind, you don't know how to make no eggs. You don't know how to make no eggs. I'm teaching you. That's why you're watching this video right now. Hey, I don't know if you heard that, but something's done back there. Alright, so I'm going to chill on this. I'm going to stop messing with it, right? Just for a second or two, just let that chill. Let it do what it do. Now go back over here. You got to clean your area up as you go. So I left the bag of bread open. So I'm going to go ahead and close that. You dig what I'm saying? We're going to twist that guy up. Toast. Looking good. Oh, snap. The egg. I forgot about the egg. Alright, so if you're at home, you're following along, I'm going to try to flip it. Oh, my God. Turn it up. Turn me up. We're turning it up. I'm going to try to flip this, guys. Give me a second. I don't know why it's doing that. You see, I'm flipping it. No, I'm not. Actually, we're flipping it. We flipped it. The egg's looking good. Okay. We're going to let that sit there. I think we're on to something. I think I might even have enough for 2 sandwiches if I cut it in half. So I'll do that. It's burning? God damn. The man behind the camera said it's done. We're going to let that sit there until my bread gets done.
Place of scrambled eggs.
Are those not scrambled eggs?
Define scrambled.
I did that little number back there. That scrambled them together, did it not?
It's an omelet.
That's an omelet? Don't plot twist me again, bruh. That's an omelet? I don't even know what an omelet is, and I don't eat omelets, but if I just made it, don't mind if I do, because it's looking like it can be 2 omelets. Okay, alright. There's too much going on for my brain to process. Is that too much? Oh my gosh. Does this cause diabetes in any way? Oh, I guess this is just a diabetes pack. So if you want diabetes, come see me. If you got diabetes, please don't come. This is just gonna make your situation a lot worse. A lot worse. Are you even supposed to do it like this? Like, it don't matter. My house, my rules. Come on, man. Work with me. It's not working with me. Oh. Oh. That's what I wanted. Buttery toast. Look. Look. Look at him. Yes, sir. Hallelujah. 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 Now, if you followed along, your mouth should be watering right now because you're hungry and this is about to be pizza, pizza, mamma mia, like that. You dig what I'm saying? But it's not a pizza, pizza, mamma mia. It's a egg sandwich, mamma mia. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the first bite for the gang, the Bargo way. The only way we go these days. This is about to turn into an SMAR. This is about to be it. Look, check me out. Oh. Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's what we on right now. Anyways, thanks for watching the first edition of Cooking with Bargo. Whatever you want me to cook next, just leave it down below. And do me a favor, turn the notification bell on. If you just made this with me and you're enjoying it with me right now, do me a favor and turn the notification bell on. The bell, bruh, the bell. Turn the bell on. Turn the bell on, and let's get it. Thank you. Thank you.
Like you just ate, bro.
That shit was trash, bruh.